Okay guys, last class we have discussed about the types of signals. What are the signals we have? Impulse signal, unit step signal, ramp signal, parabolic signal, rectangular signal and triangular signal. Now in this class we will discuss about relationship between signals. Okay, what is the relationship between the signals? Let's see. D means differentiation. Okay, differentiation of u of t will give us. Let me copy this and I will paste here. Differentiation of unit step signal will give impulse signal. Okay, now differentiation of ramp signal will give unit signal. Now differentiation of parabolic signal will give what? Ramp signal. Okay, if it is continuous like this, if D is there in LHS, if I send D here, that means it will turn to integration. Okay, D in LHS will convert to integration when it comes to that right hand side. Okay, now you can write very easily. Let me draw. Integration of problem with this, so please just I'm giving my content very well that I know. Now we'll give u of t as well as integration of u of t will give r of t. Integration of r of t will give p of t. However, we have discussed signals. In what sequence we have discussed. In that sequence only they will follow. Okay. Impulse signal is there. From impulse signal, how can you get unit step signal? Integration. That means we are increasing the signal. That means integration. Increasing integration. I. Unit step signal is here. Ramp signal is there. How can we get convert unit signal to ramp signal? We are increasing here 2, here 3. That means increasing. That means integration. Same ramp signal is there. Unit step signal is there. How can we convert ramp signal to unit step signal? By decreasing 3, 2. Decreasing means differentiation, like that parabolic signal, ramp signal. Okay, same. These are the relation between the signals. I already told you. T means continuous form. N means discrete form. Now these are the relationship between signals in continuous form. Okay. Now let's see the relationship between the signals in discrete form. First let me write this, then we will convert that. From next time onwards, I will change the software because it is not showing. Now, sigma n equals to E of n minus E of n minus 1. This is the relationship between the signal in discrete form. What is the relationship between unit step signal and delta function in time continuous form? This is the relation. Integration of delta of t equals to u of t. Now let's see the other some relations. Signum of t, that means already you know, plus 1 in above axis for t greater than 0, minus 1 for t less than 0. It can write u of t plus minus u of minus t. Okay. Already signal function graph you know, u of t you know, u of minus t you know. It can write in other form. To u of t minus 1. Okay. Now now let's discuss the third form. Third important point is area under unit impulse is 1. That means area under unit signal is 1. Okay. Now fourth one. U of n that means in discrete form plus u of minus n minus 1 is equals to 1. U of t signal we know, u of 0. That means at t equals to 0, its value is 1 by 2. Sixth one. We already know area under unit impulse is 1 unity. How can I show it? Mathematical form. delta of t is equals to 1. Now if I multiply with some constant, let's say I am multiplying with constant k into delta of t, which means in sixth equation area under delta function equals to 1. That means area under unit impulse function is 1. Now if I multiply with constant k, the area is k. Okay. If I multiply with n, the area is n. If I multiply with 2, then area is 2. Okay. Now unit impulse function has so many properties in convolution and in some other in even and some other functions like odd, while time scaling, while time shifting. It is showing unique behavior. I think you all know what is the even signal. When x of t equals to x of minus t, then it is even signal. Okay, now this signal, impulse signal, is showing even signal property. That means delta of t is equals to delta of minus t. Okay. Now ninth property, delta of k. Now I am time scaling. If constant is multiplied in the bracket, it is time scaling. Okay. Now if I multiply here, then it is called amplitude scaling. Okay. Now I am time scaling the signal in discrete form. That means same as delta n only. If delta of 2n, it's known as delta of n only, not 2 into delta of n. Please remember this. Okay. If I multiply delta with 3n, now signal is delta of n only. Now I do time scaling in continuous form. That means kt. Here it will different. 1 by mod of k into delta t. Okay. If I multiplied with delta of kt is equals to 1 by mod k into delta of t. If I multiplied with, now let's see the examples. Here so many people will confuse 2t. That means 0.5 into delta of t, delta of 5t. That means 0.2, 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0.2. Don't confuse. Okay, these people can easily know by practicing 1 by 2, 1 by 5. These people will know. Now I will give the one signal. Delta of 3 plus 4j. This 4j. Then in this people will little bit confused. Okay. Now people will comment who knows answer before showing the video. I already told delta of kt, that means 1 by mod k. That means here modulus of root over 3 square plus 4 square. Root over 3 square plus 4 square. 1 by root over 3 into 3 plus 4 into 4. Okay, into delta of t, root over 3 square plus 4 square, root over 9 plus 16, root over 25 equals to 1 by one by 5. Again signal is same as 0.2 into delta t. Examiner will give like this questions only. You have to thorough the formulas. Signals and systems is very full of formulas. While coming to Fourier series and Fourier transforms, you will know the formulas very well up to LTI systems. And while coming to the discrete type Fourier transform, discrete type Fourier series, you will confuse between the continuous Fourier series and continuous Fourier transforms. So please thorough the formulas. Signal systems is full of formulas. Now 11 properties will completed. Now relationship between signals in impulse form. That means I already told impulse signal has so many properties. Now we'll take x of t with delta signal you already know. That's why I'm writing, because it is here. Delta of t minus t naught, t minus t naught will equals L of t naught into L of t minus t naught. Now I am not telling anything. While doing formulas, I will write once again these formulas. So please read before listening these classes. This formulas is very important. GATE is full of numericals only. Little bit they are started giving conceptual wise. It is full of numerical. How much you are in max, how much you are standard in max, then it will define. I means integral of x of t delta of t minus t naught. x of t naught. 13th one, x of t convolved with delta of t minus t naught will give x of t minus t naught. Convolution means I will tell. So up to now remember these 12 formulas. Okay. What today class we have discussed? Relationship between signals. Differentiation of unit signal is impulse signal. Differentiation of ramp signal will give unit signal. Differentiation of parabolic signal will give ramp signal. Again same, while coming differentiation we will comes to integration. Integration of del of t equals to u of t. Integration of u of t equals to r of t. Integration of r of t equals to parabolic signal. Okay. Now discrete form in impulse signal. Del of n equals to u of n minus u of n minus 1. Signum t of equals to u of t minus u of minus t. It can again write as 2 ut minus 1. Now third one, area under unit impulse is 1. U of n plus u of minus n minus 1 equals to 1. Fifth one, u of 0. Unit step signal at t equals to 0. It will become 1 by 2. Integration of del of t equals to 1. If it is multiplied with k, area will become k. It is showing even signal property. X of t equals to x of minus t. That means delta of t equals to delta of minus t equals to same. You find time scaling in discrete form, it will become same. It will not show any effect. If I multiply it in continuous form, it will show effect. 1 by k equals to delta of t. These are the examples. These 3 examples are very important. 11th one, 12th one and 13th one. X of t into del of t minus t naught equals to x of t naught into del of t minus t naught. Integration of x of t into del of t minus t naught will become x of t naught. X of t convolved with del of t minus t naught will become x of t minus t naught. Okay, please be thorough with the formulas. I think these formulas are enough for today's class. Now I will wind up the session. Have a good day. Bye bye.